Hi friends! So since today we're going to visit Hawaii's Volcano National Park, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to make your own volcano at home. What you're going to need is some white vinegar. You'll need about a cup of that. A few drops of food coloring. I chose red. So I put some red food coloring in here already. That's why it's red. So you're going to put the food coloring in your vinegar, and you're going to need an empty plastic bottle. And I want you, make sure you have an adult with you to help you. You're going to pour the vinegar into the bottle very carefully. Very carefully. Perfect. Okay. Just place it down. Now, when you do this, I would definitely recommend being outside because it can get very messy. Next, you're going to need some water. Again, have an adult help you with this. You're going to need about half a cup of water. Just pour it in the bottle with the vinegar. Okay. So now there you can see it. So I made a little volcano out of construction paper, and you could just put it right on top if you want. So now you're going to take a little bit of dish soap and pour that just a tiny bit right in. That's all you need. Okay. So now here's where the magic happens. You're going to need some baking soda and a teaspoon. Okay? Now, taking your teaspoon, you're going to take a big scoop and pour it right in. Are you ready for the eruption? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Look at that volcano go. Pretty cool, huh? So if you want to make this at home, record yourself or take a picture of your reaction and post it to Seesaw. Can't wait to see it. Bye!